How's it going, everybody? I'm Brandon, and welcome to today's episode of Ask Your Local Electrician. And today we're going to be talking about CSST. That's corrugated stainless steel tubing. So, when we talk about CSST, most people have heard horror stories because of lightning related failures. Okay, so what do we mean by that? So, all these stories came from, and some are true and some are not, but let's talk about the story is you got lightning outside, whether it's hitting the home or it's just outside where it's static related, it's close, and it travels in to the house and onto the flexible tubing and punctures pinholes in the tubing. So is this because the line is flexible? Is it a gas pressure related issue? No, it's because it's not bonded. So let's talk about when CSST is a problem. So it's not a problem all the time if it's properly installed. In fact, some people think it's a lifesaver for houses. It makes it really easy to install, cuts down on installation time. You can pretty much run it everywhere, very versatile. But when is it an issue? So let's break that down. The main issue is when it is not properly bonded, one. Two, if the conductor's undersized. Three, if it's not bonded at the right connection point. Four, if the CSST becomes physically damaged in any way, that's a big problem. Five, if it's improperly installed near any sharp edges, that's a big issue, especially around any heat sources or ventilation or metal parts. I can tell you we have seen firsthand a client of ours called because they smelled fire. They got out of the house. They smelled gas. We went over there and found that the CSST line was installed into the floor joist right next to where a vent went up, right against the edge, and the two metals together created weak points on it. And it actually started more like a candle with a little bitty gas coming out, had started a fire right there. And so it can be very scary if it's not installed properly and not bonded. In that case, it was not. Most CSST failures are not gas failures, they're electrical failures. So we want to make sure that it's bonded properly. Well, how do we do that? Now you're going to want to refer to the installation instructions. You're going to want to know your local code. You're probably going to want to get somebody out and take a good look at it. Our local jurisdiction has us put it right next to where it connects from the black iron to the CSST. And when that's not possible, let's just say it's buried in a wall of a finished house, we are allowed in our area to put it at the gas meter itself. So you have to be very cautious where you put it and on what side of the gas meter you put it, because one of them goes into a plastic pipe that is not bonded there. So you have to make sure to put it on the right side of the pipe. A few items you want to be sure of in here is you want to use at least a minimum of number 6 in a home to bond this with. You want to make sure to go to your electrical panel to bond it in on the ground bar. You also want to make sure the home actually has a good grounding system. Does it have a proper electrical system? Otherwise, you're not doing much good. So you need to make sure that's all done. As well, you never want to actually try to bond it to the CSST itself. It needs to be on the black iron. If the actual black iron is used, you need to file and scrape off the paint and get it on the actual metal, or you need to put it on the brass fitting itself. So all these things, you're going to want to make sure it's done by a professional. You're going to want to make sure it's done properly to manufacturer spec, and you'll just be fine. So if you have CSST in your home, and if you have a newer home, you most likely do, don't freak out. Don't panic. It's okay. We just need to make sure that it's bonded properly and that everything is safe. So as long as you're good to go, everything is fine. There's nothing to worry about. Thanks for sticking to this episode with us. Please hang out, like and subscribe. See if there's anything we can help you with. Drop something in the comments. We'd be happy to answer any questions. Have a great day.